Chalo, I'll explain. Here, you don't require calculation in this because of the option. It's easy. What time they have said? Between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. So let us say 2 o'clock means where it will be? Our hand will be at 2 o'clock. Our hand will be. Keep answering. 2 बजे our hand किधर रहेगा? At 2 o'clock, where will be our hand? On which digit? Don't get confused. Our hand, chota, small hand, at 2 o'clock, sharp 2. 2 o'clock pe, our hand will be at 2. Now, opposite of 2. What is opposite of 2? 2 का opposite. 2 का opposite. 8. 8. But when it goes to 8, our hand will not be at 2. It will move slightly. It will be between 2 and 3. Our hand will be between 2 and 3. So opposite will be between 8 and 9. Opposite will be between 8 and 9. So I'm very sure the timing is somewhere above 40, but below 45. समझ रहा है नहीं समझ रहा है? 2 बजे 2 o'clock पे था. At 2 o'clock, the R hand was at 2. Later on, it will move slightly or no? थोड़ी देर में R hand move करेगा या नहीं करेगा? Let me give you time. At 2:30, 2 hours and 30 minutes, R hand, where will be R hand? On 2, on 3, in between 2 and 3. 2:30 को. 3 में से एक ऑप्शन. At 2, at 3, between 2 and 3. ढाई बजे R hand किधर रहेगा? Between 2 and 3, agreed? So between 2 and 3 का opposite क्या हो जाएगा? Between 2 and 3 का opposite. 2 का opposite 8, 3 का opposite 9. 2 का opposite 8, 3 का opposite 9. बराबर है. तो opposite of in between 2 and 3 will be between 8 and 9. Notice 8. अगर minute hand 8 पे है तो 40 हो गया. Minute hand, if it is on 8, it's 40. And if it is on 9, that is 45. So in between 40 and 45, options देखो तो क्या क्या है अपने पास? ये ऑप्शन क्या बोल रहा है? 34 minutes and some point. ऑप्शन बी बोलता है 43 and some. 56 and some is C. And D says 64. D तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. मिनट 64 कभी हुआ है क्या? पहले चारों ऑप्शन में से देखो आप. D ऑप्शन क्या बोल रहा है? 64.9 upon 11. Can minutes be 64? क्या मिनट्स भी 64 नहीं होता है ना? तो डी ऑप्शन तो पहले ही गया. बचा है ए, बी एंड सी. उसमें से ए में 34 मिनट्स है, बाकी का पॉइंट छोड़ दो आप. सी में 56 है और बी में 43 है. तो 40 और 45 के बीच में कौन है? ऑप्शन बी है ओनली. विदाउट कैलकुलेशन you know, here you can select the option easily without doing any mathematical calculation. See, here I'm saying between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. What is our question says? Between 2 and 3 o'clock. So R hand, that is small hand, is between 2 and 3. And opposite to that is between 8 and 9. So minute hand is definitely after 40 minutes and before 45 minutes. After 8 is 40 and before 9, in between 8 and 9. Okay, and there is only such option. 40 and 45 के बीच वाला एक ही option है तुम्हारे पास. So without doing any calculation, I'll say B. Anyway, I'm showing you the calculation, but here calculation is not required. You can save your time. Between 2 and 3, opposite of between 2 and 3 is 8 and 9. 8 means 40, 9 means 45. Getting me? On a clock, 8. minute hand is on 8 means 40, and on 9 means 45. So in between 40 and 45, between 40 and 45, only one option is there, and therefore B is the correct option. Even calculation is simple, and it is as follows. And now try and understand the calculation. I'm showing calculation. Easy it is, but no need of calculation for this above question. R hand is at 2. R hand is at 2. 2 pe hona means 10 minutes. 1 pe hona. 1 pe means 5 minutes. 2, 10 minutes. 3, 15 minutes. 4, 20 minutes, and so on. Are you getting me? Minutes में बात करनी है. 2 o'clock पे R hand किधर होगा? At 2 o'clock. So why 2 o'clock only? What does the question says? 2 and 3. So starting from 2, exactly at 2 o'clock, where will be the R hand? At 2. And 2 means what? In minutes. Answer, please. Ten. 1 पे होगा तो 5 minutes, 2 पे होगा तो 10 minutes, 3 पे होगा तो 15 minutes, 4 पे होगा तो 20 minutes, and so on. So that 10 minutes. Okay. Then opposite means 180 degree, and 180 degree is always 30 minutes. 180 degree is 30 minutes. 90 degree is 15 minutes. 1 minute is 6 degree. So 6 degree means 1 minute. So 180 is 30 minutes. So always 180 is 30 minutes. Okay. Now total of that is 40 multiplied by 40 minutes multiplied by. So what I did, R hand. Where is R hand? At 2 o'clock, at 2. So that means 10 minutes. Opposite of that, or opposite means 180 degree, and 180 degree is always 30 minutes. So 40. Now 40 into that formula. 40 into 12 upon 11. 40 into 12 upon 11. That comes to 43.63 repeatedly. Recurring. 43.63. Now 43.63 means 7 upon 11 minutes. I'll tell you how to get this 7 upon 11. Dear student, 43 clear? Calculator to be used. You are allowed. Calculators are allowed. You have to use calculator. Calculator पे क्या आएगा? If you want to use calculator and see 40 into 12 upon 11, you will get that answer 43.63. Okay, that you will get on a calculator. Do that calculation. Now, how I got this last answer? There is a trick for this. I'm telling you the trick. This answer. Especially this 7 by 11. How do I get 7 by 11? I'll tell you that. This 43 I copied from here. Now 0.636363. We don't say 64, we say 6363. Now here in denominator is always 11. Denominator is always 11. Now to say the table of 9 till you get 63. 9 sevens are 63. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. Go on saying that 9 sevens are 63. So that is 7. So why? Always it is a table of 9. So 43, 63 means 7 upon 11. Denominator is always 11. How I got 7? Say the table of 9 till you get 63. You will get 63 as 9 sevens are. So it is 7 upon 11. You should know both the answers. One answer is on a calculator, it is 43.636363. It can be called as 43.64. So how do I get that 7 upon 11? Denominator is always 11. And 63 I get by saying 9 tables 7 times. So 7. So 43 point. So 2 pass that. Two hours, 43 minutes, 43.7 upon 11 minutes. The clock will be exactly having 180 degree. So at what time you will have 180 degree? 2 hours. and 43.7 upon 11 minutes. कितना steps 4 steps याद रखना है आपको. Number 1, hour hand calculation. It's on 2, so 10 minutes. Opposite means 180 degree. 180 degree is 30. Add this to 40 and always multiplied by 12 upon 11. The total will be multiplied by 12 upon 11. Yes, I know it's a bit difficult for you to understand, so I'm taking more example. Let's take another example. Your answer is B. Try this out. Yeah, I'll do it again. Mercy, I'll do it again. First, you get the answering point. I'll do that. I'll explain. You get answering point. So, what time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock? The hand of the clock are opposite to each other. Use calculators. Calculators are allowed. So, what you have to do is starting at 4 o'clock. So, 4 o'clock, where is the R hand? 4 बजे R hand किधर होगा? Sharp 4. Exactly 4 बजे R hand किधर होगा? Where will be R hand? At 4 means at 4 means how many minutes? Minutes में बोला अभी 4 पे होगा, तो 4 means how many minutes? 20. And then we want opposite. Opposite means 30 minutes, sorry, 180 degree. 180 degree means 30 minutes. So say this. R hand is at 4, which is 20 minutes. 4 means 20 minutes. Opposite means 180 degree, that is 30 minutes. Add this to 50. Now, क्या करना है 50 को? Into always 12 upon 11. What answer you will get? Use calculator and see. We got 54.54. Yes. Now, Mercy, your point. What answer we got? 54.54. Mercy. Now, here I'm showing, I'm writing, I'm not getting the answer directly. I'm writing your answer. So that is equal to, what is before decimal point? Mercy, what is that before decimal point? Decimal point से पहले क्या number है? What answer we got right now? 54.54. Yes, 54. So write that 54 as it is. So this is 54. Now after point, what is the number which is repeating? Repeating number. Which number is repeating? 54. Agreed? Now say the table of 9 till you get 54. What is after the point? After the point it is 54. 54. So 9 ka table you have to say. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27 and so on. Till you get 54. 6. So we got 6. And the denominator is always 11. 6 upon 11. Sorry. Six upon 11. Denominator is always 11. How I got that 6? Keep on saying the table till you get that number which has repeated. Now let's go to the array. Here you see the answer. So answer is 54 and 6 upon 11 minutes. And it's 4 o'clock. So final answer is 4 o'clock, 54.6 upon 11 minutes. So next step, 54, 6 upon 11 minutes. And then R is the same, 4. So final answer is 4R, 54.6 upon 11 minutes. Clear? Now let me go to that earlier one. Mercy, I'm going to the earlier one. Here, in the earlier one, what is before decimal point? Mercy, what is there before decimal point? Look at the screen and tell me. Before decimal point. 43. Right? So it is 43. Now, what is 43 remains 43 as it is. Copy that out.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
So here is equal to 43. Now, what is the number after the decimal point which is repeating? Which number is repeating? Repeat होने वाला number 63 is repeating. Now say the table of 9 till you get 63. 7. So it is 7 upon 11. Denominator is always 11. So 43.7 upon 11. Everyone clear now? And then final answer is 2. Now, I don't know what they will give you. You should know both. 43.63636363 also you should know. And you should know 43.7 upon 11. If this is in point form, then 0.636363. If this is numerator upon denominator, there is a 43.7 upon 11. Yes, anyway, we are doing more sums. I know how to make it. Next, do this now. Opposite only. They are opposite each other. You have to check what the question is saying. Right now we are doing opposite question between 8 and 9. What is the total? You tell me the total first here. Total. First come to total. Step by step we'll go. Others please reply total. Everyone got 70. Only 3 or 4 are replying. What about the others? There's one more, Nick Lopez. Nick Vincent Lopez. Not replying. Are you there, Nick? I'll come to that. Anyway, chalo. Now 70 in 70 minutes. 70 minutes means what? 1 hour, 10 minutes. 70 means 1 hour, 10 minutes. Leave hours. We have to take only minutes. Here, 70 minutes. Now see what I'm saying. If the total is above 60, then take excess. Excess means only the minute part. 70 minutes means 1 hour, 10 minutes. Leave hour. Hour छोड़ देने का. सिर्फ minute लेने का. Now that will multiplied by 12 upon 11. If the total goes above 60, then what I should do is, if the total goes above 60, then you should take only minutes. Yes, Nick. So 10 into 12 upon 11 is 10.909090. Check it out on the calculator. 10 into, even I'm checking, 10 into 12 divided by 11. Yes, it is 10.909090. Okay, so now Mercy, give me the answer in fraction form. It will be 10 point what? 10 point what upon 11? Mercy. Yeah, 10 upon 11. 10.9 tens are 90. So 10 as it is, and then 10 upon 11 minutes. Now we'll have to add hours to it. So 8 hours. 10.10 upon 11 minutes. 3 हो गया. दिमाग में जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा है? If the total is below 60, then take that same. If the total is above 60, subtract 60 and take excess. That is, take only minutes. 70 means 1 hour 10 minutes. If it is 80, that means 1 hour 20 minutes, and we'll take only 20. Excess over 60. So what will happen? At 8 hours and 10 minutes, there will 10 minutes, not exactly 10 minutes, 8 hours, 10 minutes, and 10.11 minutes. 8 hours and 10.10 upon 11 minutes, there will be exactly 180 degree, opposite of each other. Now, next, do this. Now you should be able to do it. I'm waiting for your answer. Final answer. Yes. Diksha, even you'll have to add that hours also. So final answer is 9 hours, 16.4 upon 11 minutes. You'll have to add, finally, you'll have to add that hours also. What you're saying is about minute. What about hours? Hours is 9. So final answer should be 9 hours between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So between 9 and 10. So it will be, yes, 9 colon 16 point. Okay. So let's see this answer. 45 minutes. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock means 45 minutes. 9. 9 o'clock is our hand is on 9, which is 45 minutes. Opposite means 180. So 30 minutes. Total is 75. This excess over 60. So 15 minutes. 15 into 12 upon 11. That comes to 16.36, 36, 36, 36. So it is 16 and 36 is 4. 4 upon 11. 16, 4 upon 11 minutes. Now let me add hours. So final answer is 9 hours, 16.4 upon 11 minutes. Four calculations over. Right now, have you understood the concept? Later on we'll be doing questions. This is I'm explaining you. बाद में क्वेश्चन आंसर आएंगे तब आंसर आना चाहिए. Four calculations over. Any doubt now? Perpendicular. No, sorry, this is opposite. Now I'll go on to perpendicular. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Next concept. Okay, one small one. Now what it's saying, at what time between 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock, time is same. 10 o'clock, the hands of the clock are coincide to each other. Coincide means one above the other. Coincide means one above the other. Now, when the hands are one above the other, what will be the angle, degree of angle? Opposite is 180 degree. Perpendicular is 90 degree. When they are one above the other, what is the degree of the angle? नहीं समझता है? दोनों एक के ऊपर एक है, तभी डिग्री ऑफ एंगल. एंगल का डिग्री. $360 can be 360. 360 करेंगे तो उसमें से आवर्स निकाल दे तो मिनट्स कितना बचा? 0 degree. One above the other, so it's 0 degree. It can be called 360. Can be called otherwise 360. In between is 0 degree. So 9 means 45. Coincide means 0 degree. One above the other. So it's 0 degree. Same calculation you have to do. Instead of 30 minutes, you have to take 0 minutes. So total is 45. Once total is 45, क्या करना है? वही करना है हमको. 45 multiplied by that magic number multiplied by 12 upon 11. Yes, Nick, correct. So it is 49.0909090909. So it is 49 point what? 09. What is repeating is 09. So 1 upon 11. And final answer is 9 hours, 49.1 upon 11 minutes. So calculation is same. Where there is a change, second line. Coincide means 0 degree. Opposite means 30 minutes. Okay, 180 degree. 180 degree is 30 minutes. If it is perpendicular, then it will be 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay. So we'll stop here and we'll continue in the next lecture with this clock. Now we'll have separate lectures. You will not have along with you those CA foundation students. Okay. We have to do calculation on this clock later on, clock and calendar. I'm explaining you clock. After clock, I'll explain you calendar, and then we'll solve questions on clock and calendar. Bye for now. Nick, are you there? Just reply yes. Nick. Vincent Lopez. Keep replying, Nick. Keep replying. I know you. Mom and dad also. Mom and dad were my students. Give my regards. And then keep answering. Mom is Sabina, right? No? Yes, na? No. Okay, so I don't know you. Okay, fine. I thought I know one Vincent Lopez, so you are from there. Okay, fine. No issues. But keep replying anyway, Nick. Okay, sorry. Wrong identity. Sorry, bye.